Ever wonder why your phone dies faster than your drone? It's all about the chemistry under the hood. LCO, Lithium Cobalt Oxide, powers your UAV or high-energy defense or aerospace application requiring high discharge known as C rate. It's energy-dense but fragile. NMC, Nickel Manganese Cobalt, is the workhorse of electric aircraft, UAVs, and space platforms, and defense platforms. LCO has short life cycles and lower safety margins. NMC balances energy, power, and cycle life. NMC's versatility is why it dominates defense and aerospace sectors. Replace graphite with silicon at the anode and you get insane energy density. But it's hard to stabilize. American Lithium Energy is leading here. Our silicon blends increase watt-hour per kilogram without sacrificing safety. When reading spec sheets, pay attention to volts, amp hours, and watt hour per kilogram, but also look at charge rate, discharge rate, and operating temp. American Lithium Energy is integrating Nano-Silicon at scale, with safety innovations that rival any battery on the planet. This is next-gen energy. Made in the USA, and American Lithium Energy makes all the chemistries we discussed in this video.